Working on a bucket today. Skid steer bucket. Has this big crack in it. So I cut the crack out, stop drilled the end of it, beveled it all out, cut the top of the bucket off down to the cutting edge. It was separated, so I had to put a dog and a wedge in there to bring the right side back up to the left side level. She's good and level now. Now I'm going to get ready to weld this, back in right here. Get that all welded up, and then we'll pick the bucket back up, V out the underside down to about that weld, and then once we get that done, we'll start welding the backside back up. But anyway, beautiful day out here today. And anyway, we'll catch you here in a minute.